Okay, so what I have done now is I've copied the text, all right, and then I'm going to come back to Google Doc, all right, which was started, right. So I'm going to paste it here. Now, if you have a board, okay, a clipboard like as it is, all right, you can just click here anytime. You're going to be seeing your stuff here. Whatever you have copied under your clipboard, all right, you can use that. Okay, so this is what I've got, all right. So what I can do now is to just start working on this. Okay, look at it. I'm just going to work on this. Remove that stuff from there because I don't need that, right? Okay, I don't need this. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. Here, hold on. Okay, so what you do is this: immediately after the topic, after the title of the book, all right. The next you're supposed to have here is what do you call it? Acknowledgement, right? Or all right reserved. Okay, let's take all right reserved. All rights reserved. Okay, we'll take a look at that. Take a look at all rights reserved. Now here, all these ones you can actually centralize them. Just see, highlight everything. When you copy, highlight, and then come over here, centralize. Centralizing all of them is better. So click on this to centralize the book. Okay, your stuff, right? So click on it, then look at it. You have all right reserved, and then the next thing you're going to do is, okay, just place a cursor there. Click on the plus sign like I told you, come to break. Okay, click on break. You see, to create another break for you. Under there, are supposed to write acknowledgement if you want to. All right, you can put in acknowledgement. We are writing a book, right? Now, basically for me, I don't like actually taking my time to explain major thing, but as you write, okay, you understand that better. Now here, I have put in acknowledgement. You can just highlight it. You can decide to highlight it like this and then make everything bold. Okay, you can decide to make it bold, and then you can move on to the next part. Okay, all right. Okay, let's put under that you're going to have introduction. Okay, introduction. Then make sure you put your stuff. You go to plus and have your break. Okay, introduction comes in, and of course introduction go to mastering the art of niche. Okay, okay. After that, this one going to give you, just keep on arranging it like this. Okay, go to your plus sign. All right, go to your plus sign, create another break again. All right, you can see that. Take another break, come over here. This is supposed to be, this become your chapter 1, right? Kind of chapter 1 will be here, right? Okay, you can call it chapter 1. Just have it here. You can say chapter 1. All right, so obviously we're going to be having like 10 chapters. Okay, you can do chapter 1 like this. Place all this stuff here, remove the quotation mark, and then place again your plus sign, have your break. Okay, have your break, and you keep on doing that until you arrange everything. Just follow mode on. Okay, so guys, obviously you can see now I've been able to break everything into chapters. Okay, so if you want to centralize a light, and then click on this to centralize. Okay, come over here, highlight this one, just highlight, place a finger on it, highlight like this, and then you come down here, click on this place. Okay, and then you're going to see centralize. That is centralized. Okay, just come over here, do the same. You can do the same for all of them. All right, just centralize. Okay, centralize them. Okay, of course, obviously they're all centralized now. They're well centralized. You can also still go ahead and look at them. So I have 10 chapters already ready for me. Okay, so this book that I want to write now, okay, what is left for me now is to just go to, let me also centralize this. Okay, you just have to like place this, bring this one under. Okay, that is it. Now you just go back to ChatGPT, for instance. Okay, let me show you something. This introduction right of it. Okay, just copy it like this, and let's go back to ChatGPT. Okay, this is ChatGPT. Okay, I'm going to come to ChatGPT. Where is ChatGPT? Sorry. Where is my browser? Okay, this ChatGPT. So I'm going to say, go, if this thing disappears, just come to your menu side, look at it. That's it. All right, so you're going to say under here, you can say write the introduction, right? Introduction, okay, for the book. Introduction for the book. All right, when you do this, you can actually like limit it by saying let's say 100 words, the number of words you want. You can say 100 words. All right, then you can also say consider strong SEO. Okay, why you write, okay, why you write this. You can just control him. Okay, then do that and click on this. So ChatGPT is going to give you the introduction of the book. You can see what it's doing, right? It gives introduction of the book. You just go to start telling, give introduction of the book for 100 words. When you are done, you pause it and then you go over there, copy it, and then you just copy. It's still writing. You copy this from here. All right. You make sure while you are copying, make sure when you get to Google Doc, you go through it on your own as well. Okay. So these are going to be doing until you are done with the whole book, with the entire book.